Hello, Asian. This is my homework. The sound p and b. The part, the sound p, peas, peas. I love peas. Pockets, pockets. I start skiing in the pockets. Piano, piano. I can play piano. Pepper, pepper. I like, I like pepper. Picnic, picnic. Today I have great picnic. And the sound b, b. Bad, bad. How are you? I'm not bad. I'm not bad. Back, back. I come back home. I come back home. Bear, bear. Bike, bike. I go to work by bike. I go to work by bike. I go to work by bike. Build, build, build. I build done you. I build done you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.